This has been incredible. I never imagined an entire town just consumed with just quilting and everything associated with it.
And standing a statuesque 6 foot tall. It's Misty! Give it up for Misty! And the beautiful and talented Natalie. Let's get Natalie out here. Come on out here, Natalie. Look at this bunch. How about that, huh? This is awesome. Thank you guys for being here.
Hey everybody, so the class is going really well so far. We're all learning how to install a zipper pocket. This is what the final bag looks like. So we're getting to the final step to install the zipper.
I'm really lucky to be able to do what I do. It's kind of my dream job to be able to design. Sometimes I even feel guilty. It's like, shouldn't I be doing accounting or something? But it's fun to, like I say, when I'm here to meet the consumer and see how much joy fabric brings them.
So if I make these pants and this shirt, will I look like this?
Yes, absolutely.
I won't, but I can try.
Look at that. Very sweet.
It is fun. I never get away.
MSA has been great. We've had a couple of days with just all kinds of classes for people to take, and everybody seems so excited about what they've learned.
Yay! It's been fun.
We did foundation paper piecing, so you can see there's some cute little houses here and flowers. We foundation paper pieced around it. I think it went really well. Everyone was super successful and we all came away with these cute blocks.
Which comes first, the pattern or the fabric? And the fact is, it doesn't matter. You just gotta pick one. You have to start someplace. Class was great. They got to hands-on a panel with borders. It was a fun class.
They're actually some of the nicest instructors and people I've ever met or ever been acquainted with. And I've been to, conventions and things where but this is outstanding. It really is. They are so friendly. And I'm not lying. I don't lie.